Hey everyone, I decided to start this new mini-series. Welcome back. I know I have not uploaded here in a while, and I just realized there is a video that I was supposed to make public, but then I remembered that I had to fix something in it, and then I forgot about it. So I'm gonna go back and fix that, and then I will upload it after this video, probably. I might fix that one first, and then upload it before this one. I have a lot of stuff that I have recorded for this channel. I have a lot of editing, and I have a second channel. I'm very close to getting monetized on my second channel, which is great. I work really hard on that content. Please subscribe to my second channel, Jasmine Baker 2. It's in the description. So I decided to start this new series called Breaking Down the Prices of My Drawings. Most of these are personal projects, not the commissions, because I price those differently. Why my art costs what it costs. Here is why my artwork costs the way that it does. Let's break it down. This is my Henry Cavill drawing. This drawing is $4,500. Let's break down the $4,500 price tag, shall we? When I first started selling art and doing commissions, I was only charging about $60 to $100 for a custom drawing. My work was much less detailed and would take a couple of weeks compared to now, when I can do about 2 full drawings a year. They're much more detailed, therefore they cost more. I have more costly supplies than before. Henry Cavill took me about 3 months to complete. This is a specialty drawing because it's not a commission, it's a personal project. I had to look up a lot of references of him, then I had to look up a ton of references with the symbol of hope to determine how I was going to adjust that to make it fit in with this piece. Strathmore 500 series 4-ply plate Bristol is between $15 to $16 per sheet. Each sheet measures 23 by 29 inches. There are larger sheets than this one, but those are the ones that I buy. This is a very thick Bristol paper that is very smooth for an even drawing surface. It is also 100% cotton paper. I can get maybe 2 large drawings out of a sheet and several smaller drawings. So let's assume that Henry Cavill is about 50% of that cost. This is a 12 by 14 inch drawing, and that makes it roughly $8 for the sheet of paper. It's difficult to determine what the cost of pencils would be. I never used an entire set of pencils on one drawing. However, I tend to run out of white, black, and some shades of brown the most. There are times when I may use 3 to 4 entire pencils on one piece. Some shades I buy individually, and each pencil when bought as a single runs me about $4.80 from Blick. Unless they're on sale, then they're just under $4 each, which is a great deal. Assuming I blow through 4 entire pencils, add $19.20 to the expenses. This drawing took me over 90 hours. I'm just estimating, but it's probably more because the drawing time alone takes a ridiculously long time since I draw everything freehand. For the purpose of this video, we'll just say 90 hours. We'll subtract the cost of shipping and framing from that. A good quality frame and possible matting paper will run me about 60 bucks. Let's also subtract the processing time for that because I frame it myself and package all the shipments myself, as well as driving to the post office. Shipping for this, I calculated on the USPS website for domestic shipping because you have to include the frame and packaging around that. The package would need to be somewhere in the realm of 18 by 20 inches in size. If I were to ship this to New York, for example, with ground shipping, that cost is $20 to $30. So let's add $30 to the expenses. That would be on the high end. In total, the approximate expenses for this drawing is $117.20. That doesn't include electricity, camera batteries, video light batteries, replacement sharpener blades, fixative spray, X-Acto knife blades, or battery erasers. So let's take $117.20, subtract that from $4,500, and you get $4,382.80. Divide that by 90 hours, and it comes out to $48.69 an hour, or $1,460.90 a month for 3 months of work. I really am hoping to sell this drawing. I do want to sell artwork this year. That is one of my art goals for this year. I have prints of this one available. They are limited edition prints. Once they are gone, they are gone. I will not be printing anymore. There are a few magnets available on my website. Those are more or less like a collectible thing, so those are not open edition like some of my other stuff is. Anyways, thanks for watching. Leave a comment. I will do a few more of these because it's going to be a series showing the estimated cost of making some of my higher priced items and just breaking down everything that is involved in making those. But thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. I do make new videos every week. You can check out my second channel, Jasmine Baker 2, where I do TV and movie commentary and I do story times. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!